गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। हाँ भाइयों, कैसे हो? आ जाओ सब लोग, पहले ज्वाइन कर लो। करते हैं स्टार्ट थोड़ी देर में। आ जाओ, वेलकम भाइयों, नमस्कार नमस्कार। गुड मॉर्निंग। फिर से हम देखेंगे आज बीटीसी कर क्या रहा है। Yeah, in yesterday's stream I pretty much told you what's gonna happen। और अगर आप देखोगे तो कल मैंने यही बताया था कि स्टार्ट किया था कि लाइक यू शुड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट ब्रेकिंग डाउन लार्जर टाइम फ्रेम इनटू स्मॉलर वन। ठीक है, तो हमेशा आप बड़े टाइम फ्रेम से स्टार्ट करोगे। बड़ा टाइम फ्रेम बोलेंगे तो डेली का, राइट? दिस विल मेक योर ट्रेडिंग मोर इजी, राइट? आई मीन अगर आप देखो, ऐसे मत करो कि आप आए एकदम से देखा 2 मिनट, आपने कहा कि यस दिस इज माई सेटअप एंड स्टार्ट टू डू द ट्रेड। दैट्स अ वेरी बैड वे, दैट्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग वे, एंड इन दैट कंडीशन योर ट्रेड कैन ऑलवेज गो अपोजिट, है ना? तो हम वो सब नहीं करेंगे। वो सब करने से you can always, like, there's a good chances that you will go, because this kind of trading is emotional trading, so you should avoid that kind of trading basically, right? कि अगर सेटअप बन गया तो मैं ट्रेड ले लूँ, तो करना क्या है आपको? अपनी एक चाय बनानी है बढ़िया सी, आके बैठना है, फिर इसको एनालाइज करना है। तो एनालाइज करने के लिए देखो, लोग बाग बहुत बहुत चार्ज कर रहे हैं, राइट? आई मीन पीपल आर ज्वाइनिंग कोर्सेज, दे आर गिविंग लॉट्स ऑफ मनी। यहाँ इस चैनल पे आई एम गिविंग यू फ्री, like the basics कि how you should find the trade, how you should break down from larger to a smaller time frame, and then how to find the setup। सिंपल सा सेटअप बनाना है। कोई ज्यादा स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो के चक्कर मत लगो, राइट? आई मीन तुम सोचोगे ये इंडिकेटर यूज कर लूँ, वो इंडिकेटर यूज कर लूँ। सिंपल सा रखो भाई, जितनी से ट्रेडिंग को सिंपल करोगे उतना तुम्हारा क्लियर गोल रहेगा कि करना क्या है उस दिन में, है ना? अभी देखो आप चल क्या रहा है इसमें, तो एक बार बिटकॉइन को देख लेते हैं हम लोग, है ना? तो बिटकॉइन को देखोगे, लेट स्टार्ट इट टू एनालाइज फर्स्ट, राइट? तो लेट मी क्लियर दिस ड्राइंग, सो थिंग्स विल बी मोर क्लियर, राइट? मैं यार ये ऐप वेबुल का, लाइक दिस इज गुड। ऐप डॉट वेबुल करके साइट है, इस पे कर लेना, मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं इसके चार्ट। हाँ, लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर यूजिंग ट्रेडिंग व्यू, बट ट्रेडिंग व्यू का यार व्हाट आई फाइंड इट आउट, उसका जो डेटा है ना, इट्स लिटिल डिले, and that's the reason I stopped using completely the trading view. That's what I noticed, like it's not in the sync। so ओके, चलो इसको ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं। तो ठीक है, अभी ये से बिटकॉइन है। अब मैं कैंडल भी चेंज कर देता हूँ, वो बता दूंगा मैं है क्या ऐसी क्यों लेती है। सिंपल सा सेटअप है यार, एक मैंने स्टॉच आरएसआई और आरएसआई का कॉम्बिनेशन मैं यूज़ करता हूँ कभी कभी। मैंने लगा के छोड़ा हुआ है अभी ऐसे ही देखने के लिए कि चल क्या रहा है, राइट? ओके, तो अभी डेली टाइम फ्रेम आप देखोगे तो ये सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे, अपने सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस स्टार्टिंग से, राइट? यहाँ से अपना एक, और हम लोग रिसेंट देखेंगे कि रिसेंट क्या है, राइट? एक ये देखो, अगर आप इन ये देखोगे, May 20th, राइट, May 20th को इसने हायर हाई बनाने का ट्राई किया था। लाइक पिछले हायर हाई सिंपल टर्म है यार, लाइक वेन एवर इट इज कमिंग दैट previous high, when it try to break those previous high and try to get into the new highs, that's what it called as higher high, है ना। तो अगर आप देखोगे इस चीज को डीपली, राइट, आई मीन इसको देखो और थोड़ा सा क्लोज अगर मैं जूम इन करूँ इसको, तो ये देखो इसने क्या किया। ऑन मे इट ऑल स्टार्टेड मे, राइट, इट्स हायर हाई यहाँ बनाने का ट्राई किया, बट ये नहीं बना पाया। अगर पिछला हाई देखूँ मैं, पिछला हाई था ये हमारा 73, राइट, दिस इज द टॉप, लाइक दिस इज द हाईएस्ट सो फार। और उसके बाद ये इससे नीचे ट्रेड चल रहा है बेसिकली, व्हेनेवर ट्राई टू ब्रेक a lot of selling coming. So this is our great great supply zone. सप्लाई जोन इज सिंपल, राइट। सप्लाई जोन क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, सप्लाई जोन अगर हम बोलेंगे तो उसको ये बोलेंगे जहाँ पे सेलर्स बैठे हुए हैं, है ना। तो एक छोटा सा ना रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ कर लो आप यहाँ पे इस जोन को। या आई विल टेल यू व्हाई, राइट। और इस जोन का नाम दे देते हैं हम लोग सप्लाई जोन। दिस इज या, सो इट एग्जिस्ट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर। ये हमारी मोस्टली सप्लाई जोन है ना। या कैंडल का विक जरूर ले लो आप, मैं जो भी टॉप विक होगा वो जरूर ले लो आप, और ये जितनी भी नीचे वाली कैंडल्स हैं इनके विक्स, है ना। चलो, ऑलराइट, और इसको थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ा दो, और इसको हम कलर ड्रॉ जो करेंगे उसका रेड कर लेंगे, बिकॉज इट्स द सप्लाई जोन। सप्लाई जोन का मतलब देयर इज गुड चांस इज सेलिंग गोना बी डन हियर। ओके, नाउ अगर आप देखोगे इन रिसेंट ये जो फॉर्मेशन है, राइट, इट्स लाइक अ डबल टॉप, राइट। एक आपका यहाँ पे हाई आया, सेलिंग हो गई, फिर इट ट्राई टू कंसोलिडेट इन दिस एरिया, राइट। ये देखोगे आप दिस एरिया, राइट, दिस एरिया इट ट्राई टू कंसोलिडेट एंड देन इट अगेन गोज अप। यहाँ पे आया फिर से, और फिर क्या हुआ, फिर से एक सेलिंग हो गई, है ना। ये डेली का चार्ट देख रहे हैं हम लोग। और उसके बाद अगर आप 2 या 3 दिन देखोगे, जिस दिन सेलिंग हुआ, इट वॉज अ गुड, इट वॉज फ्राइडे, राइट, लास्ट वीक फ्राइडे। तो लास्ट वीक फ्राइडे से सेलिंग हुआ। नेक्स्ट डे आप देखोगे तो ये वाला कैंडल इससे नीचे ओपन हुआ था, राइट, एंड देन दिस कैंडल मीन्स सेट संडे, संडे को थोड़ी सी बाइंग आई, मार्केट ने शो किया दैट वी हैव बायर्स हियर, राइट। तो क्या करेंगे कि यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा हम लोग हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बना लेंगे, बिकॉज इट ट्राइज टू एक्ट एज अ सपोर्ट नाउ, या दिस वीक, राइट। अगर मैं डेली में देखूंगा तो ये इस वाले वीक का सपोर्ट ले लिया इसने, और इस वाली वीक को अगर मैं करूंगा तो इट इज दिस वीक, राइट। इट हैज नॉट ब्रेकन दिस वन, ये जो हमारी सबसे बड़ी वीक थी इसको नहीं तोड़ा इसने। दिस इज द डिमांड कैंडल, वेरी हेल्दी डिमांड कैंडल। तो करेंगे क्या हम लोग, अगर इफ आई स्टार्टेड टू मूव फर्दर एंड ट्राई टू लुक एट इट कि आज क्या कर रहा है, राइट। अगर मैं डेली का देखूं तो ये आज जो कैंडल ओपन हुई संडे की, इट ट्राई टू ईट अप दिस स्मॉल कैंडल, राइट। एंड देन अगेन आप इस कैंडल को देखोगे, राइट, सो इट स्टार्टेड टू फॉर्म ऑलरेडी, है ना। और ये कैंडल इससे नीचे ओपन हुई है, राइट, इट ओपन्स लोअर देन दिस वन, so there is a high chances, it's all depend, and today is a Fed rate also, they will give the Fed rate decision. Fed's gonna be meeting B is on Wednesday, I guess, so Wednesday tak it will do the same, right. It's not gonna go up much higher and not gonna go more down. It's waiting for, so when this kind of state comes, it's always good to stay away from trading, because you will not get that volatility in the market which you always wanted to play the leverage options for the Bitcoin, right? So that's our main goal. That is what we wanted always, right? We love volatility, right? In the market. If that is not there, then there's no point of just try to get into the market and try to take the forced trades. That's called forced trading, and we don't want that. So now let's break down more. What I can do is we put this support here because on Saturday this candle proved that this is the support, right? And this is resistance since yesterday. So we draw two zones basically, and let's make them like orange, and this one will be green because that's about support, right there, right? So basically this is our support. So now today what's gonna happen is it will prove this candle has to eat up either this entire two candles, because if I merge them, if I look at here, right, not 1 week. So what's gonna happen, right? So we have break it down already to our new resistance and support. So new resistance is about 69,861 and new support will be 69,165, राइट? ठीक है, तो ये नया रेजिस्टेंस सपोर्ट है हमारा. So let's move further now. All right, now today resistance. So this is yesterday resistance. Now we will try to draw what is the resistance on today. So when the market opens, again I will try to make it light orange. This will be our second resistance in terms of R1, R2. You can take it like that, right? And this will be our, you see, this particular candle, what it's telling is it has a longer wick on the downside, right? And upper part is still trying to get fill. So what does that mean? This means is here seller trying their best so far, and the lower part of wick is telling that buyers are also existing here, right? If this is a healthy candle, it's which we get to know when it's the days goes more further into, we will get to know what's going to happen with the candle. But so far the sellings are coming, buyers are also existing, so we will break down more, right? And we'll get to know what's going to happen. So let's put one more support here so far. So I will put support here and I will tell you the reason why, right? All right, so why I put support here? Look at this candle, right? This candle they try to eat up and couldn't break it completely. So whatever the resistance was before, it is always acting as a support, right? And yesterday candle, right, this is telling me that I am the support. So 69,277 is your support, right? um, and this will be your, there is a one more horizontal I'm putting here, and then I explain later what exactly those are. And this is one more support. So now we have break down our daily candle into a smaller time frame, and now let's look at 4 hour what is happening. All right, here you go. So in 4 hour you will see our new resistance and support are acting well in this market. So right now it is in this particular trading zone, which is a level of 69,410 to 69,671. Right, as we draw resistance and support, you can see clearly like this line is 69,861. That is telling us this is our support here. Like it's a resistance and it's trying to form a structure. In a 4 hour, look at this consolidation. Right, it is trying to form what it tried to. If you look at it, it goes higher, low, more higher, low. So look at it, the low is not breaking, it's not breaking for the lows, it is into structure of higher, right, again at the most support, and then again more higher. So this right now in 4 hours it is into higher high structure, right? But to validate this structure we need one more high, right? If I yeah, we need one more high. So this is a consolidation zone right now, right? There's a good chances this candle, right, this particular healthy candle in 4 hours will try to save the Bitcoin below 68,922, right? But as right now, right, this is acting as a support, this line, right? As I we draw this line from the larger time frame, this particular horizontal support, right, and it is trying to follow it. If you look at it, anything comes here, from where this horizontal line comes, yeah, it comes from our daily time frame, right? So look at it, right, on 4 hour what is happening right now, it is trying to this was a supply candle and this is again try to make a demand candle. So demand candle, demand candle, demand candle, and then they started to sell again. So these, you remember that these two resistance are from our larger time frame. So larger time frame is a key to break down the market, right? And look for your trading setups, right? All right, so let's move further. This is a 4 hour. And then we'll break down further into 15 minutes, right? I'm just trying to see what kind of pattern it's developing, right? There's a good chance it can try to form ascending triangle. That's what I'm thinking. If I try to look at the chart patterns and trend line, if I go from here to here, right, it's all depend, right? I'm just trying to see what kind of pattern is trying to making on 4 hour. So this line acting up as a support again on the trend line, right? This is a healthy trend line. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we will break down further. um, This is a consolidation phase right now. So if I break down into into 2 hours, maybe we'll get a more idea, right? So from 4 hour to 2 hour, these are our all. So you want to go like you can go to 15 minutes now. Since we have our resistance and support sitting everywhere, we can start to look into 15 minutes. Okay, so these are our resistance support from the larger time frame, right? And look at this consolidation phase, since how long it is keep on consolidating since this here, right? Since what time? So 6 7, it's from Friday, it's keep consolidating here. Look at this line, right? Look at this support line, 69144. So that is the best, that is the lower lows, right? That is a lower on this time frame, 69144. Whenever it comes near supplier, like we have buyers over here, which is telling me, okay, we're not letting this Bitcoin go more down, you know. Okay, now on a 15 minutes time frame, if we try to see again what it is doing, right? So we have drawn a trend line, how it is taking support here, 69158. This is completely a consolidation phase. But so if you want to take a trades in this kind of market, it's very hard because it's sideways. I will not touch, or I will not take any trade opportunity. There is no opportunity right now, right? It's just sideways, right? So don't take chances. Wait for the setup, and once setup would be there, I'm hoping, like it's a since consolidation phase going on, it's waiting for some news. Yeah, on 3 more days it will act as the same. So, and then if the consolidation phase keep going, it's a good chance this can go up or it can go down, right? But yeah, say 68 595, because this is where it takes support before. All right, now in 15 minutes, no opportunity. We'll break down further. All right, we can just try to look where else. Nah, how we can trade trades? Not in this market. No. You need some volatility in the market, right? Complete sideways, sideways, sideways. Try to go up a little bit, selling occurred. Trying to go up a little bit, selling occurred. Trying to go lie down, buying occurred. So it's in the zone, which is like completely a stuck zone. उस जोन में ट्रेड करना यार, it just 100 200 points के लिए मैं ट्रेड नहीं करूँगा. I will not trade for only for 100 or 200 points. Look for the bigger movement, at least 400 500 points up or down, right? So let it form the setup. There is no setup right now. Alright, so let's break down further 15 minutes into 3 minutes and let's see. Yeah, 3 minutes. You will see lesser the time frame, like smaller the time frame, you will see more disturb and noises in the graph, right? So what you can do is you can use this Hekineshi, right? And things will be more clear to you. What's basically what it does, it try to reduce the noise from the graph, right? So look at it like it's so on 3 minutes, right? I mean, you can see more chart patterns, right? And like like you can see ascending staircase, descending staircase, ascending staircase, descending staircase. So this is kind of chart pattern going on, right? Or I mean, people have their own guesses like what kind of structure they are looking at, right? But right now it's stuck. It's a stuck. It's sideways. Yeah. Again, we see some selling here, right? Again, it will take a support here around 338 maybe. At this here 352 maybe. Yeah. Yeah, we can just try to draw a trend line here. If it's respect this trend line, right? One, two, three. Hopefully, then it will be a trend line play. So this one, this particular wick should touch this trend line up to here, which is 363, 20 more points, and then bias will appear again for sure, right? Let's look at only candles, and you will see more clear picture. Yeah, hopefully it will, a trend line will come. It will touch this trend line, take the support, and it will bounce up again. Less volume again because of Wednesday we have Fed meeting, I guess. So I notice in that week there's a less volume in the market. Once we have those decision, comes, then it's gonna be good. we have to move it, or we can try to go larger time frame then try to do this, right? Like there's a saying in the market that makes your trading more boring. So, and then wait for the boring market setup to grow, right? And then you will see a result, good results in your trading. Yeah, don't trade sideways market. And this is completely a sideways market.